Hi, I'm Angie Borja and today I'm going to talk about the sounds of our lives, topic of the listening and speaking course. Since the beginning of time, music has played a fundamental role in the history of humanity, being the purest form of expression. But do you know what music is? It is a little reminder of God to show us that there is more than us in this universe. There is a harmonious connection between all living things, including the stars. August Rush, 2007. Music is the favorite anesthetic of the average population. We listen to melodies at all hours and in all places. At home, on the street with headphones, traveling, in the eternal waiting, when everything is going well and when everything is regular. For centuries, music has been the object of study for great thinkers and scientists who have shown that this artistic expression produces effects in those who hear it. For example, decreases stress and anxiety, restores cognitive functions, improves information retention, increases concentration, and helps language development. Music also has the power to stimulate emotions. Studies have shown that it not only produces good mood, it is also a good company in moments of anger and sadness, having a great relationships with the association and memories, managing to clear the mind and regulate mood. In children and the elderly, something apparently as minimal as listening to music can relieve pain or can help them exercise their ears to prevent hearing loss. We have a playlist in our life. I have it from a very young age, and I sincerely love it. Since I listen to music when I do homework and even before bedtime or to fall asleep. Throughout my life, music has been very important because since I was 5 years old, I sing, and I sang to my grandfather just a few days before his death. Although I don't do it so well, but I enjoy it when I do it, especially when there are some lyrics that reach my heart.
I've been told to get it off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day is getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you keep my head from going under.
This was just a video of me singing. Thank you so much.